Good morning. It's really cold, so we're walking in Menards and listening to Christmas music and looking at
food.
Now we're in the food section. Okay. So the down ramp is closed, so we have to take the elevator. I never take the elevator. Julian just got paid for his movie, and
He's trying to educate you.
I'm happy. I told him, I'm like, keep working, keep acting, because you're making more money when you act whenever you get a job than you are at Target. Did you get a bath?
He's not happy.
He's not happy. He's very wet.
I had to hold him down.
You're a wet chicken. Whoa. I haven't gotten a clip for like hours and hours. I've been to choir practice.
It's nighttime now.
Yeah.
It's almost 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Wait, is it 10 o'clock?
No, not quite.
5 still.
Yikes.
I forgot what came next.
Final clip. Okay, so tomorrow is Friday. And I get to go into the city because Gabriel's got a call back in person.
I get to stay here and work.
Horatio gets to work. And I'm excited about that, but I'm also...
Are you working? I guess.
Well, I'm excited about going into the city for the in-person callback. However, the appointment is at 3:40.
Ooh, on a Friday.
Yeah. 3:40 on a Friday afternoon is not exactly ideal, but yeah, driving home will be interesting. So, until tomorrow.
Hasta mañana.